Hello everyone, welcome to the computer group, and today I'm going to do a more of an overview video than anything. I know it's been a long time since I posted anything, mostly because I've been doing some more stuff. We've been rearranging my office. I'm going to be moving offices, and we've been kind of remodeling a little bit, so I did take a break, and then I just needed a break too, because I didn't feel my content was all that good at the time. But we are back. There is some new things coming out. This video is going to be kind of more these videos where I kind of unbox a product. It's not really going to be an unboxing. Well, it is. It's not. It's just kind of a more overview, kind of taking everything out of the box, see what we got, and then kind of talking about maybe the design of it and what you'd actually use for it. And then afterwards, there will be a review video posted once I actually get to try it out and everything. And there is going to be a new show coming out that I'm working with. So we are back, and we are actually getting a bunch of different products back in to review. So yeah, let's get started. So this one is from ACEPC. They contacted me to review their mini PC, their T11 mini PC. So the point of these mini PCs are more of the fact that you'll be able to do just some small tasks. They're cheap, and you can do small tasks like document editing and browsing the web and all that, where you don't need a super powerful computer for. Another good usage of these is actually using them to piggyback off a virtual machine. So that's kind of a cool, neat thing to do with these. And then you can make like small NAS servers or such. There's a lot of usages for these. You just have to really know what you're really wanting to do. This one in particular, with the specs it has, it runs about 160. So yeah, let's get started. So on the front of the box, we got what the PC is going to look like, the mini PC is going to look like. Then it shows that we have Intel inside, eMMC flash. This is expandable up to a 2 terabyte hard drive. And then it comes with a VESA mount, a VESA bracket. So the cool thing about the VESA bracket is you can actually mount this on the back of a monitor and use it on the back of a monitor. So that's kind of neat. So nothing much on the other sides of it until we get the specs. The specs are a Intel Cherry Trail Atom Z8350. So it's an Atom processor, which you don't really see much Atom processors anymore. So they've kind of went to like these styles of PCs. It runs Windows 10, has 4 gigs of RAM, which would be memory, and then 64 gigs storage. That is SSD storage. And then you have 2.4 and 5 gig Wi-Fi, and the VGA support is up to 1920 by 1080. And then it can hold up to a 2 terabyte hard drive. So yeah, kind of cool. So yeah, let's take a look at it and see what we got in the box. And once we open it, we are greeted with the PC. So let's take this out and set this to the side. Take all this stuff out. We got the VESA bracket, user manual, the screws for the VESA mount, and then you get 2 oh, not two, I mean an HDMI cable, a power adapter, and that's all we got in the box. So let's put that to the side. So you got your standard power cable that you plug in. Kind of looks like a netbook charger. And that kind of what this reminds me of, is more of a netbook style PC. It's just enough to do small tasks and everything. HDMI cable, a user manual that just talks about what you all have on the computer and such, and how to install the hard drive and the Visa mount. So all that fun stuff. And then the clock speed for the Intel processor should be a 1.92 gigahertz running 64-bit. So this should be a 64-bit operating system you have. Visa mount bracket for back of a monitor, and then the star of the show. Let's take this out and let's take a look at it. So the front, as you can tell, nothing special. You got the Intel sticker showing that it has Intel inside. This is an all plastic PC. Would be nice to see if this was aluminum, but it's not, it's all plastic. And then you got it right up here, the branding, an indicator light. And then on the sides, we have a standard USB, a USB 3.0 port, and a micro SD card slot. And then on the back, we have a VGA, a headphone audio jack, Ethernet, HDMI, and then power, and then a OTG micro USB port. And then you do have on the other side 2 more USBs. Those should be 2.0s. And then a power plug, or power button, I mean. And that's all it is. That's all this is for this computer. There's nothing too fancy about it. And then on the back of it, this is where you take off and then install your hard drive if you want to install your hard drive. It also looks like they have wall mounts, wall mountable holes that you could actually mount this to a wall. And then it also does talk about the specs on the computer itself. So the overall usages of this, like I said, just kind of basic usages, like video editing and photo editing is probably going to be way out of the ballpark for this PC, which you might be able to use like GIMP and some of the smaller features of GIMP, but that's kind of all you're going to be able to do. So this is really for people that just need like a PC to get online and do certain things. Or if you know what you're doing, you can set this up as a server for like a FTP server or a storage server or NAS. Technically, you could use this as a Plex server. You just won't be able to do a lot of transcoding. But overall, the design of the product and everything looks nice, looks really professional. It doesn't look too cheap. The plastic doesn't seem cheap. It seems durable. This is fanless, so the CPU in it should get, the unit itself should get hot. That's kind of why I thought they would have went for like an aluminum topper to kind of cool the CPU a little bit. But this is fanless, so depending on what you're using, it shouldn't get hot, but if you're using some more intense stuff, this PC will get hot. But overall, the design looks good, and I really do think this is going to be a cool little gadget to check out and test. So yeah, hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And like I said, we are back, and we are doing a lot more videos that are coming up. Reviews, and we are working on a new show that I've been wanting to work on for a while. But yeah, hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the next one.